Okay, happy Monday morning. Back in the chain gang, doing a little work. I got the framework cut out. I'm getting ready to actually mount it to the door. And once I get that done, then I will get the torch out. I may not do that. I think what I'll do is send a picture to Paul, see if he likes it the way it is, or I can burn it. But that's turning out pretty. That's, like I said, that's two pieces of wood that was glued together, and I turned it into a frame, and that gives me an idea for making picture frames and stuff in the future. So make them look nice. Anyhow, that's my update for today. I'll bring you back when I get things put back together, and then I got to get that final clear coat on this back side of the door, and we're going to call this one good. See you soon. All right, last update for today. I got 3 sides of that glued down, and then shot with brad nails. And then on this side here, I've got 4 screws that hold that piece of trim in place. And that's, like I was saying earlier, so that he can remove this piece of trim to slide his screen out, slide a piece of plexiglass back into it. And then vice versa for the summer. And it'll also enable him to be able to pull that screen frame out and put new screen material in it if he needs to. So there it is. I gotta wait till that glue sets up, because he does want me to go ahead and take the blowtorch to this wood to darken it up a little bit. And I'll do that. I'll have to pull the screen out of it. But I'll do that, and then get about 2 coats of spar varnish on this side to protect it. And this door will be ready for delivery. Anyhow, yeah, we're done for the day. Press on the pause button and I'll pick up again tomorrow. See you shortly. Well, good evening, folks. Monday night. It is almost midnight. Just got home from work. Stopped off at the friendly big chain grocery store and got myself some Pabst Blue Ribbon and some stuff to go along with supper tonight. But anyway, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go ahead and put the 2 coats of spar varnish on this tonight. That way I can go ahead, put the screen in it, and get it ready to take to my buddy at work. So I'm going to get started on that, and I'll bring you back when I get it done. We're almost finished with door number 1. What's going to be behind door number 2? Don't know yet. See you in a few. Okay guys, here's the first coat of spar varnish. It's soaking it up, it's blotchy. I'm only going to put 1 more coat on it because that's how I did the other side of it. And a friend of mine, the more rugged it looks, the better. He didn't want a gloss shine on it, so 2 coats is about it, and it'll kind of pick up a little more of a shine, and then that's going to be it. So I'll go ahead and do it just like I did the previous side. I'm getting ready to put that 2nd coat on it and let it dry for the evening. Tomorrow I'll put it back together and bring this video to a close. So see you in a few minutes. Okay guys, that's coat number 2, and like I was saying, it's gonna be blotchy. It's gonna be shiny and blotchy and look old and rustic. I think I painted that. No, I didn't put a second coat on them yet. Holy moly, I'm not done yet. All right, be back. All right, I got that little area that I missed right there. So this is again, here we go. This is going to be the final coat. And like I said, he's just wanting it to be blotchy and look rugged and yeah, there you go. Whole process started with just regular cedar fence pickets. Yeah, like you see back in there, it's that stuff right there, what I built it out of. And I ripped the centers, and then used I think that started off as a 1x2 cedar strip, and then that molding, and it gives me an idea later on for some picture frames for the wife for some of her paintings. It's gonna look nice. All right, guys, I'm going to hit the pause button tonight. Tomorrow, I'll put the screen back in it and take some more pictures and a little video, and we'll bring it to a close. You guys have a wonderful evening, and I will see you in the morning. Well, good morning, folks. It's almost 9 a.m. Tuesday morning, and I'm getting ready to put the screen back in this. It's for the most part finished, and I think I explained it earlier. I've got this side set up. It'll be held together with 4 screws. You take the screws out, lift the trim off, and then you can put the screen in it, or you can take and place. And it's going to be. You gotta kind of coax it a little bit because it's a snug fit, not too snug. I didn't want it to be, where you couldn't get it in or out. But you can interchange that. He's talking about putting getting a piece of plexiglass for it, and then all you got to do is put the screws back in, and that takes the headaches out of changing these things out. And just like that. See if I can find get that down a little bit. Get it lined up. I think it's over a little bit. There it is. Just like that. And down here on this end. And there it is. Screen door's been the screen's been put back in place, and that should do it. And of course, that gave me new ideas for picture frames for my wife's art. So I'm going to get this stood up, get some pictures taken of it, and we're going to bring this video to a close. Y'all have a super week. If you like the video, share it. Give it a thumbs up. Give it a comment or two. If you have any suggestions on the next project, as far as continuing things like this, let me know. And of course, I want you to subscribe. The more the merrier, guys. Anyhow, you guys have a great week, and I'll catch you on the next video.